Darkness, floating in the air, hurting as a dreary weather. Wondering why, can't see birds, flying high. Look over the mountains, at that cute little house. Are my questions vague? Can I have a light? But when I look behind and after, I find that all is right. In my deepest sorrows, there is a soul of light. Swami Vivekananda said it right. Our project, an e-compass, an RFIDs based intelligent module for visually challenged, is a twilight of hope and support to the blind persons. After observing the visually challenged persons, we proposed an embedded RFID and e-compass based intelligent module for visually challenged, which is embedded with various components like e-compass, RFID reader and tags, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer and a speaker. Block diagram of our project as shown on the screen uses the ultrasonic sensor that detects an obstacle and gives signal to the microcontroller. The RFID reader sends the signal to the microcontroller if it reads any RFID tag. The e-compass gives the serial data to the microcontroller if it finds any object in a certain room. The buzzer will be activated when an obstacle is detected by the ultrasonic sensor. The loudspeaker announces the location or the object name. The components used in our project are MSP430F2274 microcontroller, EZ430RF2500 programming board, GH311 ultrasonic sensor, S2000 LF RFID evaluation kit along with antenna and different transponders. The LF micro reader evaluation kit includes a reader, antenna and various TI RFID transponders with different form factors, read ranges and data functionality. The data functionality of the transponder will allow the user to do the following. Read only. The transponder has a factory programmed unique 64-bit number that cannot be reprogrammed. Read or write. The transponder can be reprogrammed by the user as often as required or can be logged to turn data into read only. Memory size is 80 bits. Performance expectations. Read range performance with our low frequency product line is generally dependent upon transponder type or size, readout antenna type or size, possible electronic interference sources in the environment that may be running on the same frequency or have harmonic frequency noise. The LF Micro Evaluation Kit was designed for applications that need compact, low-cost reader design with short read range. Click to main menu and open interface. Switch to port and select the reader communication port on your computer. Default is COM1. Click to operation mode and open micro reader mode. The red LED on the reader should be flashing. On the receive window, micro reader version 1.x will appear. Take one of the transponders out of the evaluation kit and bring it in front of the antenna. Click to line mode. The data of the transponder will be read continuously and shown on the receive window. The message window will show the message reading successful. To program the tag, the program mode is selected and in each tag the corresponding data is written. Then the program control tab is switched. Then we receive the message successfully programmed. We have used MSP430 EZ430 programmer in our project. To program the MSP430 MCU, we used the IAR Workbench IDE. Place the EZ430 in the USB port of CPU. Then we open a new workspace, create a new project. Select the device as MSP430-2274. Program the code. Then build the program. Then we run the program to verify our results. Remove the board for hardware verification. Whenever an obstruction is placed before ultrasonic sensor, we hear a buzzer beep. When it is removed, there is no buzzer beep. This is the prototype of our project. Now, we present the working demonstration of our project by explicitly placing many obstacles in our lab.